Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday started off with the morning assembly, with the virtue of the week being forgiveness. The Marvelous Museum House started off House Week with a treasure hunt. Tuesday was a fire drill, and the grade 6s had their field trip to the Science Center. It was also the turn of the brilliant Benil's house to host their house events during lunch. Wednesday was an IPC leadership training day for staff, and for House Week, it was Magnificent Miguel's turn. Thursday, there was a writer's workshop for early years parents, and the grade 3s had an exit point for their IPC unit, They Made a Difference. Lastly, the heroic Jaime House finally got their turn to host a range of exciting water events. Friday, the whole school began their day with a dance that morning, and all of the houses had a chance to rack up as many points as possible during the House v. House tug-of-war that afternoon. After many months of hard work, episode 4 of A Dragon's Tale finally premiered at the whole school assembly. To end off the week, the elementary school hosted a movie night. On behalf of the Week That Was team, I'm Leiza, and we'll see you again next week.